Hello students, first exercise, fifth question. Construct triangle ABC in which AB equal to 4 centimeters, BC equal to 7 centimeters and CA equal to 3 centimeters. Which type of triangle is this? First, draw a line segment BC equal to 7 centimeters. What they given? AB 4 centimeters, BC 7 centimeters, CA 3 centimeters. First to draw that BC 7 centimeters. BC 7 centimeters. Here it is A. AB measure 4 centimeters. Take scale measurements 4 centimeters. This is exactly 4 centimeters. With B as center, draw an arc 4 centimeters. And next to CA 3 centimeters. Takes 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. Here observe these 4 centimeters. So these two not intersecting means we cannot construct a triangle. So according to the condition, we know that one of the conditions, square of sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means 4 square. Here what they given 3 sides. Actually AB equal to 4 centimeters and BC equal to 7 centimeters, CA equal to 3 centimeters. We know one of the condition. What is that condition? Sum of squares of two sides is greater than the third side. Means A square plus B square is greater than C square. So we know that before only this condition. A means small a means BC, small b means CA, small c means AB, like that. So A square 7 square plus 3 square is greater than C square means 4 square. So this is greater than, like that. Here observe sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Otherwise here 4 plus 3 is greater than 7. So that is wrong condition. Means 4 plus 3 is greater than 7. So 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 is greater than 7. So this is false. Means we cannot construct a triangle. Sixth question. Construct triangle PEN with PE equal to 4 centimeters, EN equal to 5 centimeters, NP equal to 3 centimeters. If you draw circle instead of arcs, how many points of intersection do you get? How many triangles with given measurements are possible? So is this true in case of every triangle? Answer. First, draw a line segment EN 5 centimeters. EN 5 centimeters. This one EN 5 centimeters. And here next EP 4 centimeters. And they given draw a circle with radius. Means 4 centimeters means AB they given PE 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters as a half of the measure. What is half of the measure? 2 centimeters. As radius take the 2 centimeters with the circle. From E point to 4 centimeters as radius. Given radius we can take here, this is 4 centimeters. In this 4 centimeters with E as center, draw a circle. So in that circle, this is radius of the EN point. Means draw a circle. So this is 4 centimeters as a circle. Next NP. NP here 3 centimeters. Take 3 centimeters measure of radius. So in this 3 centimeters, here too based on radius for this circle. So draw another circle. So like this centimeters. This intersect point is P. That point is P. This point P. Now join here to with 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. PN. Join PN also. So this is 4 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. So steps of constructions. First one, draw a line segment EN equal to 5 centimeters. Draw a line segment EN equal to 5 centimeters. And next second point, draw an arc from E. Draw an arc from E with 4 centimeters as radius and cut it from N with 3 centimeters as radius. 3 centimeters as radius an arc. And the next third point, this is they intersect at P. They intersect at P. The required triangle PEN is constructed. This is constructing a triangle. And now draw 2 circles of E and N with 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters as radius, so that they meet at 2 points P and P dash. P and P dash means here also intersect. This is P. Here intersected no that point P, and down also intersected here P dash. This is P dash. So another point. Again say fifth point. Now draw 2 circles. Here draw no 2 circles. In the 2 circles at E and N, 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters as radius. So that they meet at 2 points. They meet at 2 points. Here P and P dash. 2 points P and P dash. Now join EP dash and NP dash. Here also we can join here P dash. So they are asking how many triangles we can draw that. Join E P dash and N P dash. N P dash. 2 triangles are formed. Here form a 2 triangles. Next point is 7th point. 2 triangles are formed. Last point. Yes, it is true in case of every triangle. In case of every triangle. Steps of constructions. See here about this diagram steps. First one, draw a line segment EN equal to 5 centimeters. EN equal to 5 centimeters. Next point, with 4 centimeters radius and 3 centimeters radius from E and N. E and N. From E to 4 centimeters, from N to 3 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Arc nothing but circle, the total. Arc with radius. Draw a circle. For that next point, they intersect at intersecting point P. They intersecting point P. Now join that EP and NP. So join EP and NP. So the required triangle PEN. This is the required triangle PEN is constructed, and still what they asking? So another point, they asking how many triangles it will form. Now draw two circles. So we can draw two circles at E and N. E and N with 4 centimeters, from E to 4 centimeters, and from N to 3 centimeters as radius. Drawn that as radius. Now, so that they meet at 2 points. They meet at 2 points. Before we drawn that 4 centimeters as radius and 3 centimeters as radius, they meet at 2 points here and there. So what are the 2 points? They meet at 2 points P and P dash. P and P dash. Now join EP dash and NP dash. Understand here? EP dash and NP dash. So here form two triangles. Two triangles are formed. Two triangles are formed. So finally last point. Yes, it is true. In case of every triangle, it is true in case of every triangle. Every triangle.